It happened right after 1 o'clock on Thursday afternoon. Gunfire at the food court in the Mall of Louisiana.
At first, I heard a loud pop and then another pop. I thought at first somebody was shooting fireworks in the food court.
This woman cleaning the carousel, watching as people dropped to the floor.
All I could see was the gun and fire coming from the gun. And he was turning around, shooting randomly.
She's seen right here administering aid to a victim. We also see Mike Wilkinson, a retired firefighter who rushed up the escalator to help.
Started CPR, opened the airway and started CPR on her, and then shortly after, within literally probably a minute, the Gonzales fireman, who was also a paramedic, showed up. And we just, from that point on, we just kept working on her, giving her the best shot we could.
Mall customers, employees taking cover inside stores.
I had a worker come up to the break room and say that they had an active shooting in the mall, that they were closing all the doors or whatever. I'm sorry, I'm still in shock.
At 1:22, officers are dispatched to the mall for shots fired in the food court area. Law enforcement and EMS rushed to the scene, quickly putting on their protective gear on the ground and in the sky.
We very quickly secured the scene. No more active shooting going on. We started treating victims until EMS got here. EMS got here very quickly and were able to transport victims away from the scene within minutes.
6 victims went to area hospitals. 17-year-old Martha Odom died from a gunshot wound to her chest. People, families at the mall escorted to their vehicles by law enforcement, weapons drawn.
To the thugs who did this, we're going to catch you. Okay, we're not going to have this in Baton Rouge.
Law enforcement taking suspects into custody that same afternoon. A large police presence in Watson, others in Baton Rouge. Chief Morse said officers determined suspects from security footage. In Baton Rouge, Brittany Weiss, WBRZ News 2.